Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicweb.com. Making this a small video about US dollar index and how to use it and how to trade USD pairs. So let's get started. I want to show you this chart almost like a year and a half ago or 2 years ago I made, which is this. Now this a US dollar index monthly chart, and it was on March 2020. When we hit this area 127 extension level, I said we're going to drop from there. Even though it was such a big candle, everybody was talking about that. Now man, it's going to go up, it's momentum, this and that. So now it's going to drop, and from there it dropped not only here, but it came down all the way to this 89.61 right here. Let me show you that chart. This is weekly. This is a monthly chart, but I'm going to show you now a weekly chart. And this is where it came from, there, the top, all the way to this. Okay, so when it was here, I said we're gonna go up to this area, but then it went up and came down again, and then from there I says, well, we're gonna hold this area and go back up again to this 38% fib level and finishing the point C. ABC correction, at least 38% of this big drop. So far as of today, if you look at this, this is from the 29th May 2021, and today I recorded a chart at this. This is how it is. It started to bounce from here and went up, it came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, and then it started to go up again. And now we are almost there. 38%. Well, we got to take out this 81.16. So this candle, this is a weekly chart. So this last candle you see is a weekly candle, which closes the above the last week high, right? So it's a pretty good chance that we can continue to go to the upside. It went up even above this 97.06. So it is staying and closed above this 97.06. The key number now is 97.06. If we can stay above that, we're going to take out this 98.16 and go all the way to 99.84 into this area. So, but what, like I said, I made a video today earlier about yen. When the index is moving, all the pairs of that currency have a chance to move, giving the the reason for the like the other currency as well have something to do with the moving. But like I said, that they have a chance moving. If, for example, this US dollar index is getting strong, and if pound index is also getting strong, then pound USD may not go anywhere. But giving all the other currencies like silent, stationary, and US dollar index start getting strong, then four of those charts, those pairs, those pairs like Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, Aussie Newsy, Euro Aussie. No, what am I talking about? Hold on. Sorry. Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and Newsy USD. These four pairs where the USD on the right hand side, they will be going down, and three pairs like USDCAD, USD franc, and USD yen, they will be going up. So if you take this last candle, right, last week candle, which closes today, Friday. It started, I think, today is 12, so I think it's like 7th or 8th, right? 7th, probably. 8. Okay, Monday was 8. So let's see what really happened to those pairs. 4 of those supposed to go down, 3 supposed to go up. So let's take a look. This is the current chart, and you can see that this is the monthly chart, by the way. And let me show you also the monthly chart I had made. I don't have it. Forget about the monthly chart right now. I closed it, I guess. Yeah. So weekly. Let me show you the monthly chart, the old monthly chart I had. Oh, forget it. Let's see what happened last week for all those 4 pairs. Actually, 7 pairs. 4 supposed to go down, 3 supposed to go up. So here, first Euro USD is supposed to go down. Look at that. This is what happened since you see this November 8th, right? So that's where the week started, and boom, drop. Pound USD, exactly here, April the 9th. This is 8th here, 9th here, and start dropping, right? Aussie USD, similar here, April 9, drop. And then New USD, similar here, same April 9, drop. You see that going this candle, this is the candle. So it start bouncing from here on the 8th and 9th, right? That's the way, that's the week starting on November 8th. And this is what happened. So this getting strong, 4 of these pairs went down. 3 of the other pairs, which have the USD on the left-hand side, they're supposed to go up, right? So look at that. USDCAD up from here. This is November 10th. Okay. And then USDN started to go up November 9th. And then USD franc went up November 9th and on. So you see, this is how it impacts the pairs. The index, if it is moving up or down, it moves all those 7 pairs in the the correct direction. So if you're paying attention to the index, you basically have nice trades in all 7 pairs. Means 7 beautiful trades again and again and again and again over the week, the whole week, right? For example, I don't trade many of these USD pairs. I usually, that Euro Aussie, Pound Yen, something like that. More of those are pair I trade, but once in a while, yeah, I get these USD. So what I took, for example, Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie, and New USD. They're supposed to go down. So this is my Aussie USD trade today. I closed today, but it was the entry was on the 10th, and then there was a beautiful entry of this one on the 10th, and this was on the 9th. By the way, this is the 10th. Let me see if this is this is the 9th, ended here. And this is the 10th. All right. So anyway, so I closed this yesterday for 111 pip and 115 pip. Man, I'm malfunctioning a lot today. And one of these Pound USD 20-minute, 145 pip. Again, this is I think the entry was way before the week even, right? Yeah. So once in a while, if they're not moving, USD pairs have less. Smaller daily range, right? So they move small most of the time. Once in a while, big move, but most of the time. So you have to wait. I have to, like hold on the trade for like maybe 2 or 3 days. Usually my Euro Aussie, Pound Yen, Pound Aussie, those are the one that they move fast and big. So one day, the same day, in and out. And make the entry 70, 80, 100 pip out. So this one I held because the USD was going up nicely, and the pound weakness also, gave a little hint. So it was supposed to go down. So I said, well, let's go all the way to 35.02. A big number. This is a big, huge number. So I said, well, it's coming down and it's not too far. So this may go all the way there. And I was right. So it came down all the way here. So this is how the index works, and so far we are going to the upside, 97.06. We are staying above it, and if we continue going to the upside, this is my 40-minute chart. This is how it looks like. I thought maybe it's going to dip before after 78% touch, but no, it's continue going to the upside. So what happened? That it will go up probably, or may just drop and then make a long setup here and then go up again. Right. So this is what I wrote down here. Also, that the EU, GU, AUN, NU down when it is going up, and these 3 will go up, and that's exactly what happened, right? So on the 20-minute chart, you can see that this is how we can easily see. The wave count here is like A, B, C. This is A, small b, and this is like wave 1, 2. This is wave 3, and wave 4 probably is going to drop here to 38% of this level here, and wave 4 will be finished, and then again one more push to the upside for wave 5, and that will probably take us all the way here somewhere. So let's see what happens. So this is how the US dollar index, and and then I have, like, I'm watching almost everything. I have Aussie index, for example, give me a lot of trades because it involves Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie big movers. So I have that. I have all the indexes, by the way. So this is my Aussie index weekly chart, right? So it is coming down. It was getting weaker. That's why Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie went up. And now it's just wobbling here. This is the Friday. And then this is how my monthly chart is coming off of, the TL. And then, it's probably going to drop all the way here. If, these are the numbers that if, you have to be like a borderline. So if it is, for example, this one, the next week it starts. So I'm going to watch that, 43.99. If we are staying below or above 43.99 is right here. Right? So look at that. We are exactly at that number touching, right? And then you look at, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe we have 5 to the upside. So you might get it strong. And if I look at the 20-minute chart, and if I see that, yeah, it is going to the upside now, or starting to go, and then it becomes bullish here, then obviously I know then that Aussie index is gonna see this. It transit from bearish to bullish. So now here, I know exactly that Aussie dollar index is going to get strong. That means Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie will drop, right? And Aussie USD, Aussie Yen, they will go up. So I look for those entries in my pairs. That's how the index works. So it gives clear indication that what the index is about to do, or that particular currency. For example, CAD, if CAD, if anything happened, oil start getting expensive, Canadian dollar gets the benefit and start getting strong. So if I see that CAD index is doing something like that, right, rising like this above the wave, that means it's getting strong. That means USD CAD will drop, Euro CAD will drop, right, and Aussie CAD will drop, CAD Yen will go up, stuff like that. All right, and then I look for my proper entries in those pairs. Simple as that. So this is how the index works, and this is how I'm using the US dollar index. And I gave you the hint that where it is going now and how far it's going to go. So trade accordingly next week. But in the meantime, enjoy your weekend and have a very wonderful week. And this is the end of the story. What am I doing here? Okay, so I'm going to close it now and talk to you guys later.